Daddy, I
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
poem to say for you.
Okay.
I should say it.
Yes.
Our poem is entitled The Key to Life. Education, the light of our life. The gift of academic life. Education, the key to a brighter future. A clue that joins our dreams like it's not.
You don't read like that.
Mommy, it's not.
Breathe.
Breathe.
Your memory card, your memory, whatever it is, poem, it doesn't have full stops.
It has.
Yes. So where there's a full stop, with a full stop, breathe.
Okay.
Pause, you breathe.
Okay, start.
Our poem is entitled Education, the Key to Life. The gift of academic life. Education,
You
the key to a
what are you
brighter
doing?
future. Mommy, you said you should breathe like the last one breathing. A glue that joins our dreams like a such a education gives
Stop
our
it, stop it.